Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you cooking with gas. Gas. You see it today. Got them old all-rider French fries, air fryer, 12 minutes. We're gonna let them go 6 minutes, give them a flip. Got these old steak bites, 2 ribeye steaks cut up, seasoned, accent, garlic powder, onion powder, Lori's, ground black pepper, and a little bit of Steak King Chop House blend. It is light with the steakhouse. Get a nice little sear on them, then we're gonna toss them around. Add some fresh garlic. Of course, salt, pepper, or veggies. Add a little bit of this butter. To be continued. About to flip these, give them a time. Let's see how that sear look. Oh yeah, the sear look is delicious. You see it. So we're gonna get these all flipped around. Add the garlic and the butter. Be back. Add a tablespoon of butter. Fresh garlic. Toss it around, toss it around. Be back. Steak bites all done. Garliced up, buttered up, seasoned up. Looking good to fry. Smells delicious. Waiting on the fries in the air fryer. I think we got about 4 minutes, 3 minutes in the cook. I'll be back. There you see it. Got the crisp fries, topped with the Heinz ketchup, black pepper. Got the fresh garlic butter steak bites, tristed. Well seared, delicious, tender, juicy, flavorful, fresh garlic. Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you cooking with gas. Gas. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.